How to upload a PyCharm project to GitHub without errors and confusion. Today, I'm going to show you how. The first thing you need is a GitHub account. If you don't already have one, go to the GitHub website and sign up. Once you're logged in, click the New Repository button, give your repository a name that matches or describes your project, and add a short description if you'd like. Choose whether you want it to be public or private, then make sure Initialize with README is unchecked, since PyCharm will handle that for you. Click Create Repository and keep that page open. You'll need the repository URL in a minute. Now, open your project in PyCharm. At the top menu, click VCS, which stands for Version Control System. Select Enable Version Control Integration, choose Git from the list, and hit OK. This connects your project to Git so PyCharm can track your files and changes. You'll know it worked if some file icons change color or you see new Git options appear in the VCS menu. Next, commit your files. Go to VCS and then Commit. Select the files you want to upload, usually everything for your first commit. Then type a short message like Initial Upload. Click Commit or Commit and Push if that option appears. If PyCharm asks to fix line endings or formatting issues, it's safe to confirm. Once you've committed, it's time to connect to GitHub. Go back to VCS and then Git and then Manage Remotes. And click the plus icon to add a new remote. Paste the repository URL you copied earlier from GitHub. If this is your first time linking accounts, PyCharm will ask you to log in using GitHub credentials or a personal access token, since GitHub now uses tokens for secure authentication instead of basic passwords. Once you're signed in, save the remote and you're ready to push. Now, go to VCS and then Git and then Push. A window will pop up showing the branch you're pushing from, usually main. Review the files listed, then click Push. PyCharm will upload your files to GitHub. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. If you see an error about file size, remember that GitHub limits files over 100 MB, so you'll need to remove large files or use Git LFS for those. To confirm everything worked, go back to your GitHub repository page and refresh it. You should now see your project folders and code displayed there. From now on, whenever you make changes, just commit and push again, and GitHub will update automatically. If you want to speed things up, PyCharm's Git panel at the bottom of the screen lets you view all commits, branches, and push options without using the menu bar. That's it! Your PyCharm project is now uploaded to GitHub. You've set up Git, linked your remote repository securely, and pushed your code successfully.